Okay, so we have question 15. Given the center and the radius, okay, that's all we have to do. Notice that the equation is already in standard form of a circle. So life is easy. Just write the equation right under it. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. Okay, so h is equal to 4, k equals to 3, r squared equals to 16. So put in the parentheses. Your center is 4 comma 3. Your radius is square root of 16, which is just 4. B, same thing. Write the equation right under it. H is equal to negative 2. The reason why is because it was a plus 2 with the x. Y minus k, so k is equal to 4. R squared is equal to 36. So when you square root it, it becomes 6. Center is at negative 2 comma 4, and radius is equal to 6. Let me fix that. Okay, there you go.